Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Cash Current. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth, the share market. If you've ever wondered what the share market is and how it works, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. The share market, also known as the stock market or equity market, is a place where shares of publicly held companies are bought and sold. It's a crucial part of the global economy, allowing companies to raise capital by issuing shares and giving investors the opportunity to own a piece of those companies. Let's break it down. Imagine you own a company and you want to expand, but you need more money to do so. You decide to go public, meaning you sell pieces of your company to the public in the form of shares. Each share represents a small ownership in your company. Investors buy these shares through the stock market. If your company does well, the value of the shares goes up and investors can sell them for a profit. But if your company doesn't perform well, the value of the shares can go down and investors might lose money. Shares are bought and sold on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the NASDAQ. These exchanges act as a marketplace where buyers and sellers can trade shares in a regulated environment. Share prices on these exchanges are influenced by various factors, including the company's performance, economic indicators, and investor sentiment. This is why you'll often see share prices going up and down throughout the day. So, how do you start investing in the share market? First, you'll need a brokerage account. This is an account that allows you to buy and sell shares. There are many online brokers to choose from, each with their own fees and features. Once you have an account, you can start researching companies and buying shares. It's important to do your homework and understand the companies you're investing in. Look at their financial health, business model, and market position. Here are a few tips for investing in the share market. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Invest for the long term rather than trying to time the market. Stay informed about market trends and company news. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And that's a basic overview of the share market and how it works. Investing in shares can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's important to be well-informed and disciplined. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cash Current for more investing tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.